Here I have a couple little ABUS padlocks that were sent to me by Solomon. Thank you for the locks. This first one is an ABUS INOX T84MB/40. There's the bitting on it. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension on this one. Got a false set there already. There it is, picked open. Next one is an ABUS 65 CS40 shrouded. That's a cool little padlock. There's the key for it. Tough bitting on it. This one's a bit harder. I'm going to use top of the keyway on this one. There's a false. Hope you can see this in the video. There it is, picked open and locked back up. So there it is, 2 ABUS padlocks. Thanks again, Solomon, for the locks, and thanks for watching.